folks. This is KUGW. I shortened the name because nobody could figure out how to pronounce it. So it's still Ganawagi Utah's Garage and Workshop, but it's KUGW. I should just change it to KUG Workshop. So, but it's still Ganawagi Utah's Workshop. Anyway, this video is about a Happy New Year. I hope everybody had a great 2025, and I hope everybody has a great 2026. Around here, everybody shoots guns off at New Year's. I hope everybody's safe and uses high caliber rifles and shoots them all in the air. No, don't do that, because if you do, use blanks, use stuff that goes up and doesn't put holes in roofs. Fireworks, whatever. Celebrate, have fun. Happy New Year. I hope you all had a good Merry Christmas. I wish everybody a good New Year, and thanks for watching my channel for an entire year. If you were watching, I'm not sure if you did watch my channel for over the course of the year. To leave a comment, leave a suggestion. I don't really take suggestions too well, because this is just me doing shit. So I don't really, I don't know. I don't really. I just do whatever I'm doing on this channel. I'm not one of these people trying to get freaking do stunts and whatever. But other than that, I hope everybody has a wonderful New Year's. Drive safe. Don't drink and drive. All that, fun stuff. And Happy New Year! Yay! I'm going to post this video probably New Year's Eve in advance. So thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Eat lots of stuff for New Year's. Enjoy.